Friends, it's not very often in these videos I just slide open a product update and read it to you, but I'm going to just slide open a product update and read it to you. Check this out. Customer Agent 28-day free access. So let's hop to the bottom. This is the important part. If you are a customer who have not yet deployed a customer agent to a channel, you're eligible for a single 28-day free trial. So you can just go turn it on. The day one starts when you deploy your agent. So you can spend as much time creating it, testing it as you want, but you deploy it and the 28-day free trial starts. That's normally when credits would start being consumed. Certain number of credits consumed per conversation. But this one is free, and my favorite part, the agent automatically pauses when the trial ends. So think about that. This is not HubSpot trying to trick you into spending credits. This is HubSpot trying to show you that Customer's Agent is actually really valuable. We put a lot of work into it. We're really proud with what we built. We want you to try it. So if you are a pro-level customer, doesn't matter what jobs you have, you can access Customer Agent, I believe, and you can test it out, and you can teach it, and you can train it, and you give it knowledge, and you can deploy it, and it's free for 28 days. And then when those 28 days are free, it'll automatically shut itself off, and you can decide if you want to turn it back on and start spending some credits. And honestly, credits are included in your HubSpot subscription, so you have literally nothing to lose. Anyway, that's my sales pitch. Let me know how I did. Let me know what you think of that. Let me know if you have any questions.